Hello, good morning everyone. Standard 5th, subject English. Today we are going to start new chapter number 4, Adventure. Activity number 1, identify the personalities in these pictures. First photograph is about बचेंद्री पाल का फोटो है. सेकेंड फोटोग्राफ इज प्रतिभा पाटिल. थर्ड फोटोग्राफ इज साइना नेहवाल एंड द लास्ट वन इज सुनीता विलियम्स. एक्टिविटी नंबर 2 में बचेंद्री पाल के रिलेटेड शॉर्ट स्टोरीज दी गई हैं, उनकी बायोग्राफी बताई गई है. बचेंद्री पाल अ हीरोइन ऑफ द हिमालयास. Bachindri Pal was born in 1954 in a village called Nakuri in the district of Garhwal in Uttaranchal. उत्तरांचल प्रदेश के गारवाल जिले के नाकुरी गांव में बचेंद्री पाल का बॉर्न हुआ था. Her father Kishan Singh Pal was a small trader. Trader means sailor. Small sailor थे. The family had 5 children and Bachindri Pal was the middle one. Right from her childhood, Bachindri was very active. She was good at both her studies and sports. वो चाइल्डहुड से ही बहुत ही एक्टिव थी. वो दोनों में मतलब कि स्टडीज़ में और स्पोर्ट्स दोनों में गुड थी, अच्छी थी. Bachindri's first mountaineering experience was at the age of 12. She along with her classmates went for a picnic. She climbed a height of 13,123 feet with a few of her friends. उनको माउंटेनिंग करना बहुत ही पसंद था. उनका फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था जब वो 12 साल की थी. उन्हें फ़र्स्ट टाइम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक माउंटेनिंग करी थी और वो माउंटेन 13,123 फीट ऊंचा था. However, they couldn't climb down the height as it became dark. ऊपर तो चढ़ गए लेकिन नीचे उतरने के टाइम पे नाइट हो गई थी. They had to spend the night without food and shelter. Shelter means जो तंबू हम बनाते हैं ना, वो भी नहीं था और फूड भी नहीं था और इन दोनों के बिना उन्होंने पूरी नाइट वहाँ पे स्पेंड की. It was an unforgettable experience for Bachindri Pal and it increased her love for adventure and mountaineering. वो उनका फर्स्ट अनफॉरगेटेबल मतलब कि यादगार एक्सपीरियंस था जिसको वो कभी भूल नहीं सकती है और वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अब माउंटेनियरिंग को यानी कि पर्वतारोहण को पसंद करने लगी थी. Though there were hardships, Bachindri Pal continued her studies and completed it successfully. The principal of the school advised her parents to send her to college. She completed her studies and became the first girl in her village to graduate. बचेंद्री पाल अकेली ही एक ऐसी लड़की थी उनके पूरे गांव में जिसने ग्रेजुएशन किया हो. During her college days, Bachindri Pal also secured the first position in the event of rifle shooting. उनके कॉलेज के डे में उन्होंने राइफल शूटिंग में भी फर्स्ट पोजीशन ली थी. One day, Bachindri Pal told her parents about her dream of becoming a professional mountaineer. She told about his dream to her parents, become a mountaineer. Her parents did not like her idea. They thought that mountaineering was not an appropriate work for a woman. They wanted her to be a teacher, but Bachindri Pal was firm. Bachindri Pal के अंदर तो एक अलग ही पावर था. She convinced her parents to allow her to join the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. NIM का फुल फॉर्म है नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग. Her instructors soon realized that she was an extraordinary student and treated her as average material. In 1982, while at NIM, Bachendri Pal had the opportunity to climb the Gangotri and Rudugri peaks as well. तो 1982 में उन्होंने जो दो माउंटेन हैं गंगोत्री एंड रुद्रगिरी उनकी टोच पे वो पहुंच गए थे. Meanwhile, she also got the job of an instructor at National Adventure Foundation, which trains women for mountaineering. तो उनको भी उन्हीं में ही एक जॉब मिली नेशनल एडवेंचर ऑफ फाउंडेशन में. इंस्ट्रक्टर की प्रशिक्षक की नौकरी मिली उनको. किसको ट्रेन करते थे वो? ट्रेन्स वुमेन फॉर माउंटेनरिंग. पर्वतारोहण में वुमेन्स को ट्रेन करते थे. Now here are question and answers in activity number 3. First question, in which event did Bachendri Pal secure the first position? Bachendri Pal secured the first position in the event of rifle shooting. Next question, what was her dream? Her dream was becoming a professional mountaineer. Next question, what did Bachendri's parents think about the profession she chose? Her parents thought that mountaineering was not an appropriate work for a woman. Next question, why did her instructor teach her as Everest material? Because she was an extraordinary student. Next question, what is the full form of NIM and NAF? The full form of NIM is Nehru Institute of Mountaineering and the full form of NAF is National Adventure Foundation. तो स्टूडेंट आपको ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स नोटबुक में वन टाइम लिख के लर्न करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आगे की एक्टिविटी देखेंगे. ओके, बाय.